Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to start the exercise. Now page number 14, exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Using appropriate properties, find subdivision question 1, negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Now, using appropriate properties, you have to use suitable properties and you have to find the value of this expression. Now, how we can use the properties here? Then first step is you have to identify the terms. How many terms are here? Then do you remember what is meant by terms? Terms are separated with the addition symbol. Terms are combinations of variables or constants and they are separated with the addition symbol. Terms are. Now look at that. This one we can write like this. Negative, here it is given negative 2 by 3. The meaning is that it is negative 2 by 3 or which is same as 2 by negative 3. So, we have to take this one negative 2 by 3. So, equal to negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 then minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. We can write like this plus negative 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Because you know that A minus B means A plus negative B. Then equal to terms are separated with the addition symbol. How many terms are there? This is the first term, second term, then third term. So, how many terms are here? 3 terms. Now, look at these terms. You can see that in these terms, some rational numbers are common. Which one is common? 3 by 5 is here. Here also, here it is given as negative 3 by 5. Now again, one more thing you have to remember. Negative A into B is same as A into negative B. We can consider one example. Now look at that. Negative 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into negative 3. Negative 2 into 3 is equal to negative 6. 2 into negative 3 equal to negative 6. So, negative A into B is same as A into negative B. So, look at that. We can write negative 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 is same as 3 by 5 into negative 1 by 6. Because here a positive rational number is given 3 by 5. So, negative 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 is same as 1 by 6 into negative 3 by 5. So, we can write that also 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5 into negative 1 by 6. Now, look at this is first term, second term and this one is the third term. Look at the first term and the third term. The rational number 3 by 5 is common. So, we can change the positions of 5 by 2 and 3 by 5 into negative 5 by 6. How we can write? Negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus this third term will come into the position of 5 by 2. Therefore, we can write like this 3 by 5 into negative 1 by 6 then plus 5 by 2. So, if you take this as A and this as B, A plus B is same as B plus A. Can you say which property we used here? It is by commutativity or commutative property. Then equal to. Now we have to consider the first and the second terms. Which rational number is common? 3 by 5 is common. If 3 by 5 is common, do you remember? A into B plus A into C, which is equal to, A is the common rational number, we can take it out, A into B plus C. Using which property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Do you remember which property? Yes, distributive property. Therefore, which is equal to, we can take 3 by 5 outside, 3 by 5 into, then what is remaining here? Negative 2 by 3 plus, when you take 3 by 5 outside, what is remaining here? Negative 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Then, using which property? By distributivity. Then equal to 3 by 5 into, you have to simplify negative 2 by 3 plus negative 1 by 6. Take the LCM of 3 and 6. What is the LCM of 3 and 6? It is 6. Therefore, we can write like this, negative 4 by 6 plus negative 1 by 6, then plus 5 by 2 equal to 3 by 5 into negative 4 plus negative 1, negative 5, then negative 5 by 6, then plus 5 by 2. Then we can cancel 5 and 5. What you will get it here? Negative 1. Then 3 and 6 also we can cancel using 3, 1 time, and it is a 2 times. 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 equal to negative 1 plus 5 by 2 equal to negative 1 plus 5 is a 4, 4 by 2 equal to 2. Suppose if you did not know the cancellation, 3 by 5 into negative 5 by 6, you can multiply it. 3 into negative 5, negative 15 by 5 into 6, 30. Then negative 15 by 30, when you simplify, you will get it as a negative 1 by 2 itself. Okay. Then, using appropriate properties, we have to simplify this expression also. Then, here also we can write like this, 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7, this one we can write like this, negative 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Now look at that. How many terms are here? There are 3 terms. terms are separated with the addition symbol. There are 3 terms. Now look at the first and the last terms. 2 by 5 is common. Now we have to change the positions of a second and third terms. Equal to 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 plus negative 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So A plus B is same as B plus A by commutativity. Using commutative property. Then equal to. Now look at the first and the second term. First term is 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7. Second term is 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Which rational number is common? 2 by 5 is common. So we can take 2 by 5 outside. 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Then plus. This one, if you want, you can simplify. Negative 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 is equal to negative 1 into 3, negative 3 by 12. Then the highest common factor is 3. So we can write it as negative 1 by 4. So negative 1 by 4. Then here we applied which property? By distributivity. Or distributive property. Then equal to 2 by 5 into, take LCM of 7 and 14, the LCM is 14, therefore we can write like this, negative 6 by 14 plus 1 by 14 plus negative 1 by 4. Then equal to 2 by 5 into negative 6 plus 1, negative 5 by 14 plus negative 1 by 4. Now we can simplify this one. 2 by 5 into negative 5 by 14 is equal to negative 10 by 70. 5 into 14, 70. So we can reduce to the lowest form when you divide both by 10, negative 1 by 7. So equal to negative 1 by 7 plus negative 1 by 4 equal to, again take LCM. What is the LCM of 7 and 4? 28. Then negative 1 by 7, the equivalent rational number is negative 4 by 28 plus, then next one, negative 1 by 4. So which is equal to negative 7 by 28. Then equal to negative 4 plus negative 7, negative 11 by 28. So the answer is negative 11 by 28. So you have to practice these problems at home. Then homework, using appropriate properties find. 2 by 5 into negative 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. So, thank you my dear children.